Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can block someone on Gmail from sending you emails. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Gmail. So once you open, you simply need to click on this gear icon on the top right. So once you are here, you simply need to click on see all settings. Wait for a few seconds because it is now opening. And once you open, you simply need to click on filters and block address. So once you are here, click on create a new filter and you need to mention the email from that person that you do not want to receive. So I'm going to create xyz at gmail.com. So you need to add the email address of that person here. Click on create filter and click on delete it. So whenever that person send you message or email, it will be deleted because we created that filter. So now you can see that the filter is created and that person inbox or email will be automatically deleted. So this is the process how you can block someone on Gmail from sending you emails. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.